Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 30 PCS grass trimmer blade lawn mower replacement trimmer cutter piece for Husqvarna Automower. This gamma-changing tool is a must-have for anyone who is serious about maintaining a pristine garden. Crafted from hardened stainless steel, these mower blades are designed to offer extended blade life, improved performance, and reduced corrosion. As the mower works, the blades spin on an elongated oval, allowing both ends of the blade to cut, effectively doubling your cutting area on each blade. One of the best things about these blades is how easy they are to install and replace. With just a few turns of the screw, you can have them in place in as little as 15 minutes. The standard mowers work with 3 blades, but this set can be changed 10 times, giving you maximum value for your investment. What's more, these blades are ideal for all types of Husqvarna Automower and garden mowers, making them incredibly versatile for a range of lawn maintenance needs. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to dull and ineffective blades and hello to a beautifully manicured lawn with the 30 PCS grass trimmer blade lawn mower replacement trimmer cutter piece for Husqvarna Automower. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this gamma-changing tool today. And remember, if you encounter any issues with your order, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Happy gardening, everyone.